Hi, I'm Dr. Rajdeep. I'm a dermatologist and dermatosurgeon practicing at Charma, a skin, hair and nail clinic attached to Chirag Hospital in JP Nagar, Bangalore. So I'm sitting in an air-conditioned room and it's summer, so I cannot get away from the AC. But most of you would have noticed that the skin becomes very dry when you sit in AC. So when something is cold, it attracts moisture. You might have seen a cold bottle of water. There'll be moisture accumulating around it. So the AC filament is cold. So all the moisture is sitting on the AC filament and it goes away. That's why there's water dripping out from the AC. Essentially, the air conditioning is removing humidity from inside. So what do you do to improve the hydration of your skin? Very simple. Use moisturizers. If you're having very dry skin, apply thick, creamy or oil-based moisturizers. If you have oily or normal to dry skin, use hyaluronic acid based moisturizers or cold creams or water based moisturizers. So these won't feel sticky and they get absorbed. You can even use serums if your skin is a little oily but gets dry in AC. So this is a very simple way to keep your skin healthy in long hours of air conditioning, especially in summers.